The turbo's refitted now. On the top, you have 1, 2, 3 bolts there. You've got a banjo bolt down there, which has a washer either side of the connection. I've reattached all the wiring everywhere. I've done up all the clamps to the turbo, all the intercooler pipes. I'll show you underneath now. Under here, sorry about the camera angles, that's one of the intercooler pipes which goes onto the pipe here, which goes into the engine. That's all been clamped up. That's a turbo pipe there, up there. That's all done. The other intercooler pipes here, that's all done. And that's pretty much it. And if you can see the little metal, the silver piece there, that is really fiddly. You need to come at it from this sort of angle with a 10mm socket, and a long extension bar. Yeah, I've plugged everything back in now, so it's just top up the oil and water, well, coolant, and hopefully it'll be ready to go. I've got to tighten up the exhaust as well, the clamp on the exhaust. I'll do that now, I forgot about that, would have been a bit noisy. So I'll tighten up the clamp on the exhaust, refill it with oil, coolant, and then I'll get a video up of me trying to start it. Hopefully it'll go. Otherwise like a bit of a div, won't I? It's all back together now. So I've just shoved the battery on. So hopefully it'll start without any problems. And I didn't actually know what the mileage was. Mileage is 134,000, which ain't too bad. Right then, here goes. I don't know what those lights are. The glow plug's flashing. That one's handbrake, innit? Maybe it's because the bonnet's open. Sensor on it. Listen outside. I need to get a bit more coolant in it. I do need this pipe here, but at the minute it'll be okay. I suppose I'll go and test drive it then.